Conversation in work situations. In a meeting.
Shall we start the meeting now?
Yes, let's begin.
What's the main agenda for today?
We'll discuss the new project proposal.
Can you give us an update on the progress?
Sure, we've completed 70% of the work so far.
Do you have any suggestions for improvement?
Yes, I think we should focus more on marketing strategy.
Let's wrap up the meeting here.
Okay. I'll send out the minutes of the meeting later.
Discussing work.
Could you explain this task to me?
Of course. Here's what you need to do.
Do you have time to discuss the project now?
Yes, let's go over it together.
What's the deadline for this assignment?
It's due next Friday.
Who will be responsible for this part of the project?
Jane will handle it.
How should we divide the workload?
I suggest we split it based on our strength.
Sending emails and making phone calls.
Could you please forward me the report?
Sure, I'll send it to you right away.
Did you receive my email?
Yes, I did. I'll reply by the end of the day.
Can we schedule a call to discuss this?
Yes, how about tomorrow at 2 p.m.?
Please let me know if you need any additional information.
Thank you. I'll get back to you if I have questions.
Could you double-check this document before we send it?
Of course, I'll review it now.
Making requests and proposals.
Can we allocate more budget for this campaign?
I'll discuss it with the finance team.
Would it be possible to extend the deadline?
I'll check with the manager and let you know.
I'd like to propose a new strategy for our social media.
That sounds interesting. Please share more details.
Could you prioritize this task for me?
Sure, I'll start working on it now.
How about organizing a team-building event next month?
That's a great idea. Let's plan it together.